This is going to be a reading for the sign of Virgo. Welcome back to the channel. Continue watching this video if you're Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or North Node. All of the reading might not resonate with you. If it doesn't, please don't try to force in. So let's start for Virgos. First three cards are going to be for you. What are you going through and like what's coming in your life? So let's start. So for Virgos for the next 10 days, what's coming in your life? So right now with King of Cups, you guys could be focusing on your own self, trying to fulfill your own self in every which way, going after your dreams, your goals, loving yourself, respecting yourself enough to not chase someone who might not be giving it back to you, like loving you back, whatever it is. With Page of Pentacles, I do not see you investing in your past connection, which was not very healthy for you. Okay, if it was toxic or if your person was kind of a narcissist who wasn't giving in, I see you possibly not investing in that connection any longer. You're rather focused on yourself. You're rather possibly giving into yourself. Okay, it's all about self-love now. Okay, like what else is happening in Virgo's life currently? With the Hermit card, this is your card actually, the Hermit. You guys could be possibly reflecting over your past issues, your past mistakes, your past problems, your past connections, and trying to change yourself for the better good. Okay, like trying to heal yourself, trying to fix yourself. Okay, I don't see you wanting to go out there, meet new people. No, I rather see you focused on your healing, asking for answers within. Okay, one more card. What will Virgos be going through for the next 10 days? With Ace of Cups, I possibly see new love coming in your life. That is if you are open. If you are not open, then like possibly stay focused on yourself, like continue doing what you're doing to yourself. That is healing yourself, possibly changing yourself for the better good. If you're wanting to change yourself for a person, that is so wrong. If you're like wanting to change yourself, do it for yourself. Like do it so that you do it so that you can attract better, not because your person wants that. Okay, you deserve it. You deserve to look good. You deserve to smell good. You deserve to get all that you've dreamed of in terms of your career goals and in terms of traveling. Do it all for yourself. Okay, if you're just living for the sake of others choose you, then that is not living. Okay, that is something else. Maybe one more card for what your person is going through. Virgo person, what are they going through? The Death card. Your person is going through a lot of transition, right? I mean, they are going through a lot of changes. Okay, in the recent past, your person could have hit a rock's bottom, possibly. Like they have gone through an ending. This could be in terms of their career, their personal life, could be relationships. If they're keeping into a third party, I did not mean rock's bottom, I meant rock bottom. So I just feel like your person has gone through some sort of ending, and that is the reason why they are going through so many changes. Okay, so what else do we see happening in their life currently? Virgo soulmate. Yeah, with Eight of Cups, I definitely see them trying to walk away from something that wasn't helping them. So if you know of someone that they were connected with, could be a past person, could be an ex, I see them finally being able to move on from them completely. Okay, and it's finally over. Whatever toxic shit they were attached to, that is finally over. They are walking away now. Okay, how are they thinking about you now? How are Virgo soulmate thinking about Virgo now? With Six of Swords, I see your person right now staying at a distance. In the recent past, this person could have, possibly betrayed you or possibly done something wrong to you, and they are getting that karma. To be honest, right now they are staying away. They are not giving in. They are not attentive to your needs at all. You are focused on yourself, and they are staying away. Okay, that is that. That is the case for now. Well, one card for their intentions towards Virgo now. What are their intentions towards Virgo? With Ten of Wands, darling, right now, if you take them back, you'll have to deal with all their baggage, all their issues, all of their problems. So right now may not be the time you give them attention, because right now they are messed up. Okay, they need to sort their shit. Let them sort their shit. Let them fix themselves, and let them come back to you when they are proper in a sense of giving back to you in terms of relationship. Okay, one more card for their feelings towards Virgo now. What are their feelings towards Virgo? With the moon card, I believe this person hasn't been ever expressive about their feelings. They do have shit for you, but they are very fearful to reveal that. They're very fearful to open that. Okay, one card for their intentions towards Virgos now. What are their intentions towards Virgos? Like with the Queen of Cups, they do want to reach back to you, okay, possibly get back with you. In the recent past, I have, however, see them ghosting you or staying away from you. I very much feel like they were in a third party. For many of you, if your person wasn't giving in completely, they were attached some way. If not in a relationship, I definitely see them attached some way, okay. One card for like what action like do they want to take towards Virgo now? What action do they want to take towards Virgo? With Nine of Wands, right now they might not take any sort of action. They might take some time. They may like almost take a week to reach back because they are going through a lot of changes, a lot of problems, a lot of issues right now, and they feel a bit wounded. So they might not be in a position or not be in the mindset to offer you any sort of feelings, emotions, nothing. Okay, they are a bit messed up and they are a bit wounded right now, to be honest. Okay, so what can Virgos expect for the next 10 days from their person? We have the Lovers card, and we have King of Wands. So I do believe that this person might reach out, this person might text you or message you or call you, but beyond that I do not see anything happening. Okay, if they have choices, they will choose you. That is something I see for now. Beyond that, I do not see anything much. Okay, so for like till the end of the month, where do we see this relationship going? Till the end of the month, where do we see this relationship going? Okay, I do believe that commitment might not happen this very month, but commitment is possible. Okay, like what can they offer Virgos this very month? What can they offer Virgos? Yeah, to be very honest, if this person was trying to stay distant and single from you, then I believe they will come back. They'll want to keep things open with you. How do they view the connection they share with Virgos? How do they truly view the connection they share with Virgos? With Nine of Cups, I do feel like this is something that they want with you. Okay, right now they definitely will want to get your attention now. Okay, how do they view Virgos? How do they truly view Virgos? With Four of Pentacles, they feel like you are holding back. You haven't given up on them, but they believe you're holding back. Okay, so one kind of blockage between you and them. Five of Swords. In the past, this person could have lied to you, betrayed you. They were playing mind games with you. They were not honest with you. They were not serious with you. And that very much got in the way. Okay, so one kind of advice for Virgos moving forward. With Wheel of Fortune, darling, go with the flow. If this person comes back, let them come back clean. This person has done you wrong. This person has done you major, Five of Swords is a very bad card. This person could have betrayed you, lied, possibly cheated you with someone else. Okay. With Six of Cups, they definitely had someone they were not telling you about. Right now, that has ended, just like I told you. And I see them trying to come back to you. Okay. So, yes. So, what should you be knowing about this person, Virgos, moving forward this month? They blocked. So right now I believe this person in the recent past could have blocked communication. It is not necessary that they might have blocked you on social media, not a permanent association. So this person has never been stable in your life. They have always been on and off, and you could never trust them. Reason being, they could not offer you that sort of commitment. For many of you, this might not be a permanent association. This might just be a passing relationship. Okay, one more card for what should Virgos be knowing about this person. You out of their league. For many of you, you are way out of their league. Even if they never behave like this, you are way too good for them. Okay, and they could not handle you. Right now, I see them holding back. Okay, moving forward, we have sacred union, divine timing. So it was meant to happen. It was supposed to happen this way for selected few of you. I see you getting back together, but long term, you like union, I cannot like promise you that or guarantee you that. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Virgos. I see by the end of the month many of you guys coming together, but commitment might not happen this very month, but yes, it is possible. So if it has resonated, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't